My name is Harvey Johnson. I am the CEO of PB Mayers. We're a top 100 accounting firm spread across 3 states. We have 13 offices and about 400 people, and just growing each and every year, and it's exciting to be a part of that journey. PB Mayers has a very long history with RSM and the Alliance. It actually predates me. So we've been members of the Alliance for as long as I've been with the firm, for 20 years. And obviously over that time, you build a lot of trust and a very, very deep relationship. So we've been huge supporters of the Alliance, and it means a lot to our firm and our engagement in how we participate. One of the main reasons, or I will say a couple of the main reasons, that we have maintained our membership in the Alliance is all of the access to resources that it brings. One of the things that you find as you start to work with other Alliance firms is that we're all facing the same challenges. And one of the great things, certainly as part of the CEO, we have a managing partner roundtable. And so you get to hear from other CEOs, and it's ironic that it doesn't matter how big you are, we're all dealing with the same challenges. Sometimes it's the scale of the problem, and as you get to certain other levels in your size, you start to encounter new problems, but they're the same problems that everyone else in your size range is experiencing. So to be able to share and gain the experience and the wisdom from others in the Alliance is extremely powerful. I think the access to all of the resources internally, RSM has built out a wonderful programs that are both based off of how we run our lines of businesses. One of the things that I think they have built out is their leadership programs, all the way down from the breakthrough leaders to accelerators, the Leadership and Advisory Institute, executive leadership, all the way up to that highest level with the leading high performers. Going through those programs is wonderful for developing our next generation of leaders, and it's been wonderful because it brings they bring partners. Those aren't all facilitated by RSM. They bring in partners like Karrikins to do some of the leadership work. And so you get that access to other resources. Their whole mission, just like everyone else, is to help organizations grow. And if they don't have the expertise internally, they have a community of partners like Karrikins that they bring to the table to really help you shape and transform your business. I get value from the membership due to the relationships. My particular relationship with our liaison dean, I say it all the time, he's been a mentor to me, he's been a coach, he's become my friend. But all the things that opens the doors, again, to all the resources that the Alliance offers, the access to other firms, the relationship we build and develop with other firms is invaluable. You can't put a price tag on the intangible things that membership in the Alliance brings. The relationship with Karrikins Group has really helped transform our firm. As we were charting a new course, we started in 2020 when I became the CEO of PB Mayers. We were really a dawn of a new era. Our previous CEO had been there for 30 years. And as we were kind of going, well, where do we go next? And how are we going to lead next? What do we need to do from a leadership standpoint? So we went through the Leading High Performers program. We went on our alignment journey, and that had a powerful impact on building our team, building the trust and collaboration within our leadership team. And then we've just stuck at it. We have each year over the past few years, we go to another cohort where we send another layer of leaders through the program. And that's had a huge transformative impact as we've seen. It's not isolated to a small group. So you begin to branch out. You see the impact it's having at that next layer of leaders, and it's literally filtering its way all the way down to the lowest levels of our organization. If you are thinking about the challenges you face, and you're always going to benefit from learning from others. There's so much collaboration, there's so much opportunities in the Alliance to learn from other member firms, to have access to resources, to have access to the partners that the RSM and the Alliance brings, like a Karrikins. You're missing out, is what I would say, and it's so worth the investment. It's an investment in each other. RSM is making an investment in you. You're making huge investments into the Alliance and those partnerships, but you're going to see the benefits tenfold over. What I would say to new members who want to join the Alliance is there's so much power in investing in it. You can't just join and get access to some training resources. You've got to make investments in, one, your people, and putting them into the leadership development programs that are all throughout the Alliance. And you've got to make the investment to pull in additional resources, whether it's getting assistance on working with your strategic plan, whether it's getting assistance with things like project management or leadership transformation. All of those things are available to you if you want to use them and utilize them. And there's so much power in the Alliance and the community and the network and the partnerships that they create.